Let's take the example of the Gallapagos Islands for biodiversity conservation. The project here has strengthened the conservation system of Marine Reserve through various activities such as research and environmental education. The Galapagos are a chain of volcanic islands about 1,000 kilometers off the coast of Ecuador in South America. Because the 19 islands are separate from continental America, many unique creatures have evolved here. However, the human population is rising fast, and tourists rose from 40,000 in 1990 to over 140,000 in 2006. The pressure placed on nature by tourism and fishing means that the fragile Galapagos ecosystem is beginning to crumble. Marine conservation in the Galapagos presently lags far behind what is being achieved on land. JICA, therefore, worked together with local residents to start a marine environment conservation project in 2004. To conserve the oceans, it is vital to understand their current state. So the project is monitoring basic information about the sea's condition, such as temperature and pH. Images of the sea are also being taken to record what kinds of creatures live in the waters. Making the research information and images public helps to raise local awareness. Conserving the natural environment requires close cooperation with Galapagos residents involved in fishing and tourism. The project supports the participatory management system for marine conservation, in which the National Park Service, fishing and tourism unions participate and shares their deliberations with local residents. An environmental education community center has been set up, encouraging the residents to understand and cooperate with nature conservation. Local residents, including high school students, take part in various workshops focusing on the Marine Reserve.
Yo creo que es muy importante porque debemos conocer a nuestras islas, porque nosotros vivimos en ellas y muchas personas no conocen en realidad a fondo sobre sus hábitats y las especies que habitan en ellas.
Y este proyecto va a beneficiar mucho tanto a la población como a las instituciones que tienen que ver con la conservación en Galápagos.
Once residents learn about Galapagos biodiversity, it is hoped they will participate in its conservation.